Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. Get In There, checking in on a quick little update, man. Today we're working on how to install your wilwood proportional valve, your wilwood adjustable proportional valve. I did it. Well, anyway, I'm not even gonna get it all that. But anyway, a lot of people get the this proportional valve. Or some people get the wilwood adjustable valve. You can adjust the brakes, really fine tune the brakes. I told him just to get the the replacement bolt up here, but he brought the wilwood, so he threw a little monkey wrench in it, but ain't nothing to get in there can't handle. Nothing Mr. Get In There can't handle. So right now I'm unbolting all the lines, and I'm gonna show you the wilwood that I got, and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna mount the wilwood proportional valve. I'm gonna mount it up top beside the master cylinder, so I fade back when I get this off and get the wilwood master cylinder mounted, and the wilwood master cylinder mounted, and the adjustable proportional valve mounted on the side of it. And a few different ways. I see a lot of people do it different ways. This is the best way I always did it. See some people F it up, chop it up, but that's another story. That's another here or there, whatever how you say it. But anywho, fade back when I get this off and get the wilwood proportional valve installed with the wilwood master cylinder. Over and out. All right, YouTube, we faded back. Got the wilwood proportional valve here. Focus, focus, focus. Should turn the light on. Focus. All right, got the wilwood proportional valve. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna show y'all a little trick, man. A lot of people don't know about, man. Nah, I ain't gonna show y'all that trick just yet. I ain't gonna show y'all that. Okay, what I need to do first, I need to figure out this thread size. I need to figure out this thread size from this rear, for the rear line on the G-body. This is the rear line. This is the big line that feeds the drum brakes, disc brakes, etc. to the rear. I guess I'm not sure what size the line is, maybe 3/8 or something. Maybe a little smaller, but anywho, that's not important, right? What the size of the line. What's important is the thread here, the threads count. So I need to figure out the thread count so I can put adapter onto it and run. I need to put adapter, so it's gonna be whatever the thread count, and on the other side is gonna be -4, something like that, for my line to feed up, to the wilwood master cylinder. So let me figure this size out and I'll fade back. All right, we faded back, YouTube. Now we now to determine what size this is. This thread size is a 1916-18. What up, YouTube? Your boy, Mr. Get In There. Faded back on wilwood master cylinder conversion. This is the rear brake line that goes into the original proportional valve. I end up putting my union. It's a 1/4 inch /-4 on this side for my braided line. The braided line gonna go up right just like so. I gotta get another fit, and I talked about that in a previous clip. I'll go right there, and voila. And I'm gonna just screw them all to the side, have them nice and pretty. Gonna look real nice, gonna get a car real nice, clean look. Only a few people on it will catch that, but that's how you hook up a wilwood master cylinder on a G-body, man. What else? I cut it off with my pipe cutter, and I sanded it, make sure I got it nice and clean. Put this piece on, the brass piece, then got it snug. I wanted to put a little Loctite on it, but they usually don't come off. I just wanted to put some Loctite on it for just because, but I didn't have none here. I think it's at the house. Screwed this line on. This is a -4, and the other two is a -3. So that's 2 21 inches long lines for the front line, and 1 24 inches long for the rear line, if I'm remember right. But everything in the video, the previous clip of the video. What else? That's it, your boy Mr. Get In There, moving out. All right, YouTube, we faded back. Okay, now this is the rear Focus, focus, focus. This is the rear, so it's a 38-24. All these on the bottom is 38-24. So let's get this figured out, the rear. Then we'll go to the front lines. Yeah, then we'll go to the front lines. So from the front lines down to, hold on YouTube. So we're gonna have to figure out, this is the front line. Okay, we're gonna need to figure out fitting for this right here. That's a 3/8 as well. This is a 38-24. This is the front line. This is the driver. This is the passenger line. This is the front line. Both of them are 38-24. So I'm gonna need a fitting to screw onto this 38-24 to whatever A&N fitting, whatever A&N holes I'm gonna use. So I'm gonna need that for both of these. So I'm gonna do one at a time. I know it's gonna get confusing. Probably finish this video up when I get all the lines and the fittings that I can really break it down, because I feel like I'm gonna lose somebody. Somebody could be asking something in the comments that I already covered. So let's get this back line figured out first. Fade back. For the hookup, a wilwood master cylinder, wilwood proportional valve, adjustable proportion valve. There's a few different ways I see people do it down here. Get some fittings and cross it over, blah, blah, blah. I'm gonna show you to get in that way, man. Or I got these fittings right here. I'm gonna post the part number when I'm editing this video. Got this fitting here. This fitting is gonna screw on right here. Hold on. This is the driver's side line. Hold on, YouTube. Got that one on there. It's not tight though. This is the driver's side line. This is the passenger side. I could have just took a line and went straight down there, but kind of gonna be looking a little too fancy, not uniform. Or you could also just get your line and go from down and run you a fresh line all the way across. But I didn't want to do it that way. Hold on, YouTube. All right, YouTube, I got the two fittings on there. Passenger side line, driver side line. Maybe I should have took a line and went from up there straight down. So, but it'll still work though. I'm gonna have to take this line, maybe bend it up a little bit. So I'm gonna fade back. Then I got another line. I couldn't find a fitting for this, so I'm gonna cut it and put a tube fitting on it. I'll show y'all that when I fade back over and out. All right, YouTube, these the braided lines that I got to go from the two front lines up to the master cylinder. It's a -3, 21 inches. I got two of those. Then I put the rear line that goes up to the master cylinder. I got a 20, focus, focus, focus. I got a -4, 24 inches. I don't remember where I bought it from. That's the company though, so maybe you can just Google that. All-Star Performance, and that part number right there. Focus, focus, focus. Look like he's missing one. This is the part number for the adapters to screw into the master cylinder on the wilwood master cylinder. That's the part numbers right there. And this is what I got. A union, called a union. It's a 1/4 inch union. I think that's the right size. Don't hold me to it yet till I confirm. So I left my pipe cutter. I was doing a little plumbing job about a couple weeks ago at the house, so I need to go get my pipe cutter. So I probably won't put this on today in this clip. Probably be in the next clip, but I'll let y'all know if that's the right size. And if this ain't the right size, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna weld a weld-on bone to it. So just stay locked on that. So fade back over now. All right, YouTube, we faded back. I got this fitting. Oh, focus, focus. This fitting, the screw in here. I put what kind of fitting it is in the description and in this video. This is a -3, Gonna go up to the fittings up there. I'm gonna go up there in a minute. So I did that on the two front lines. This is the passenger, this is the driver. This driver line, you're gonna have to kind of bend it up. Like I say, I could have took it all the way straight down. I should have. I don't know why I didn't. But so then you take your lines and you put them off to the side like that. Now on this line here, since this one, you bend this one up, both of them was 21 inches. You can get away with probably like 18 inches, whatever how they sell it. I don't know what's the next size. 18 inches, 17 inches, whatever they have up in there. 18 inches, 17 inches, that'll work. And lower the lift down and fade back. All right, you two, we faded back. Okay, so once when you battery must be going down. Hold on. All right, two, we faded back. Then you're gonna get the other fittings that I showed in the beginning of this video. We're gonna screw one into there, one in here. That's gonna be, I don't know what the size, but it's gonna be that to -3. And I forgot to tell them about this one in the back. It's gonna be to -4. So they all three the same threads. I think it's 3/8 dash. I don't know. I can't remember. But I need this one to -4 because that's the rear line. The rear brake line is bigger. So, and that's it, man. How you hook a wilwood master cylinder? I mean, a wilwood proportional valve. Hold on, YouTube. All right, YouTube, we faded back. I got tired of wrestling with it, but that's what we got. Got your braided lines hooked up, kind of tight. So you probably want to hook your braided lines up first, but just screw them to the side, and you'll have a nice, pretty clean look, man. Focus. Screw them up to the side with some little something, whatever, and you have a nice clean look. Like I say, the other line you might want to get like a 17 or 18 on that second line. Both of them -3s. The rear line I got going to the proportional valve to the rear line, it's a -4. So man, it's cold, YouTube. I don't know where that crap at, man. I don't know, YouTube, but that's what you need. I think that concludes this video. That's it. You bought once again in there, man. How to hook up a proportional valve, a wilwood proportional valve to stock lines. Over and out.